Hello and welcome to PassFab channel. If you've forgotten your Windows 10 login password and have been locked out of your PC, it can be frustrating. In this video, I'm going to show you two methods to reset your forgotten password and log in to your Windows 10 computer without losing any data. The first method is the use of a password reset disk. If you've already created a password reset disk in the past for your PC, you can boot up your PC to the lock screen. Plug in the USB drive and click on Reset Password. The password recovery wizard will pop up and guide you through the process of creating a new password. Enter a new password, enter to confirm, and then include a hint and click on Finish. After you're done, enter the new password you just created. And that's it. You've successfully gained access to your account. The second method is the use of a professional Windows unlock tool, PassFab 4-Win Key. This is a professional tool, which makes the process very easy and straightforward. If you have not made any password reset disk before you got locked out, this is the best method to reset your password without formatting your system. Use the link in the video description below to download and install the software on a working computer system. Launch PassFab 4-Win Key and you'll arrive on this page. Make sure you have a USB flash drive ready. Plug it into the system and click on Start. In the following drop-down menu, choose the drive and click Start Burning. The software would make a boot disk, and within a few seconds, the bootable disk will be created successfully. Exit the app and eject the flash drive. Return to the locked PC and just plug in the USB flash drive you burned the program to. Boot your PC into the startup menu. Depending on your PC type and model, this process can be different from just pressing Escape and then F10 key. Select Boot Device options and choose to boot from an external USB flash drive. Give it a few seconds and PassFab 4-Win Key will load. On this screen that appears, select the Windows OS. Click on Next and you'll arrive on this page. I want to reset the account password on the administrator account. With the account selected, come down to the next step and choose to reset the account password. Click on Next and you can enter a new password. Confirm it and then click on Reset. The process will be completed and you can then reboot the PC. When you arrive on the lock screen, you can then enter the new password and you will be successfully logged into your account. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.